In 2025, Nvidia has made significant improvements to G-Sync compatibility with FreeSync monitors. Understanding the underlying technology differences is crucial for getting these systems to work together properly. G-Sync and FreeSync represent two different approaches to variable refresh rate technology. G-Sync uses proprietary Nvidia hardware modules built into monitors, ensuring consistent performance but at a premium price. FreeSync, on the other hand, uses the open VESA adaptive sync standard. This approach doesn't require special hardware, making it more affordable and widely adopted across different monitor brands. G-Sync Compatible is Nvidia's software solution that allows their graphics cards to work with FreeSync monitors. Instead of requiring special hardware, it uses software algorithms to communicate with the monitor's VESA adaptive sync capability. For G-Sync Compatible to work properly, you need specific hardware requirements. Your Nvidia graphics card must be GTX 10 series or newer, running the latest GeForce drivers version 560.x series or later. The connection type is equally important. DisplayPort 1.2 or higher is recommended for the best compatibility. While HDMI 2.1 with VRR support also works, older HDMI versions often cause G-Sync options to not appear. Nvidia has made remarkable progress in 2025. Their enhanced detection algorithm now automatically recognizes G-Sync compatibility in most FreeSync monitors, and the list of officially certified monitors has tripled to over 1,200 models. The GeForce Driver 5 and 6.x series represents a major breakthrough, introducing improved manual override options and better compatibility testing algorithms that reduce the chances of G-Sync options not appearing. Despite these improvements, G-Sync options may still not appear for several common reasons. Understanding these issues helps identify the root cause of compatibility problems. The most common issues include connection problems, especially when using older HDMI versions that don't support variable refresh rates, outdated Nvidia drivers, and FreeSync being disabled in the monitor's on-screen display menu. To ensure G-Sync Compatible works properly, your complete system must meet these requirements: a compatible Nvidia graphics card, the right connection type, updated Windows operating system, and a monitor that supports VESA adaptive sync technology. Understanding these fundamentals provides the foundation for troubleshooting G-Sync compatibility issues. When G-Sync doesn't appear as an option, these requirements serve as your first checkpoint for diagnosis. When G-Sync doesn't appear on your FreeSync monitor, follow this systematic troubleshooting approach. We'll work through each step to identify and fix the issue. Step 1 is hardware verification. First, confirm your graphics card is compatible. You need an Nvidia GTX 10 series or newer GPU. Second, check your connection type. DisplayPort 1.2 or higher is recommended, though HDMI 2.1 also works on newer monitors. Step 2 requires a clean installation of the latest Nvidia drivers. Download the newest GeForce drivers from Nvidia's website. Use Display Driver Uninstaller to completely remove old drivers, then install the fresh drivers. This resolves many compatibility detection issues. Step 3 involves enabling FreeSync in your monitor's on-screen display menu. Access your monitor's settings using the physical buttons, navigate to the display or gaming section, and enable FreeSync or adaptive sync. This must be done before G-Sync will appear in Nvidia Control Panel. Step 4 is manual G-Sync activation. Open Nvidia Control Panel, go to Display Settings, and look for Setup G-Sync. If your monitor doesn't appear automatically, check the box for Enable G-Sync Compatible. This manual override works for most FreeSync monitors, even if they're not officially certified. Step 5 is testing and verification. Launch games that support variable refresh rates and check for smooth gameplay without screen tearing. Test different refresh rates within your monitor's range. You can use the Nvidia Control Panel's G-Sync indicator to confirm it's working properly. For persistent issues, advanced solutions are available. The Custom Resolution utility can optimize your monitor's variable refresh rate range. Registry modifications may help with detection problems. These tools require technical knowledge but can resolve stubborn compatibility issues. Industry experts report that G-Sync Compatible has matured significantly. 94% of DisplayPort FreeSync monitors can enable G-Sync compatible manually, with a 78% success rate for uncertified monitors. Following these troubleshooting steps resolves most compatibility issues. Most G-Sync compatibility issues stem from simple configuration problems rather than hardware limitations. By systematically checking hardware, updating drivers, enabling monitor settings, and manually activating G-Sync, you can successfully enable variable refresh rate technology on your FreeSync monitor.